Just a minute. Uh, Let me shut my door because of all these children. Before they come back now and they start disturbing me, they will, they will easily come now and start disturbing me. Okay, I'm alright to. No need. Alright, welcome to my channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, not a problem, you're welcome. My name is Fake TMNmedia. Okay, I specialize in trading. Okay, I trade binary option on Deriv. Name is Fake TMNmedia. Now, well, if you want to know how I trade, what I trade, and how I've been trading, you can watch some of my previous video on this channel. Okay, I rarely do recordings of trading anymore, but if you want to see the version of how I trade, please kindly check the previous videos on my channel. Okay, like currently, like right now, I'm trying to trade manually. I'm trying to trade manually. And what am I trying to do? I'll show you. Let me just show you small one, okay, so that you understand. Now, what you can see here is a balance of 6.9. Okay, this balance was from $4. It's a balance that was left over. Okay, a leftover. That's a leftover from my previous withdrawals. Okay, so I want to grow it back to $10. Once it gets to $10, I'm going to collect it. Now, what am I trading? Afternoon, Raphael, you're welcome. What am I doing? I'm trading simple trade. Now, I don't recommend all those kind of trading, okay, because they may stress you and wear you out. The way I would want you to trade, okay, because you're welcome, Owens, you're welcome. Now, I'm coming live to answer a question about my robots. There are some set of questions that have been asked as regarding the robot. So I wanted to address those questions first. Okay, that's the main objective of this, of me coming online, this live. Okay, I want to let you understand the plan. I'm not looking at right now. I'm not looking at what we can get now. Now, maybe it will be ideal for me to just first, before I start jam talking and saying plenty things, let me first. What happened now? Which one is I cannot? 22 seconds again. Okay, the phone is trying to unlock. I've entered so many passwords. I've forgotten the password for the phone. I want to read out the question so that I can answer them properly, and I don't take much of the time, so that I can go straight to the point. Now, the person asked questions as regard the robots. Now, I need to let you understand, I've already made some videos about my trading journey with robots and how I've come to this point. Okay, now I am not interested in. I don't understand. So, what is the password of this phone again? Okay. Oh, I've forgotten. Because it's been a while, I've touched all this phone. I just leave them. I don't want. They are like distraction for me. I only wanted to read the question directly so that I'm not skipping anyone. I actually said I will. It will. Okay. Let's do it like this. So, which phone do I have connected to internet? I've disconnected my. Okay, just a minute. The first question, I could recall how the person sent the questions. Okay, the first question has to do with what's the objective, what's the main objective as regarding this bot itself. Is it a long time thing or a short time thing? Are you going? And then I remember he asked question about subscription. Is Let me let you understand first the idea about robots. Why am I interested in robots? I'll tell you why. This is number one. How did I get into robots? How did I get into robots? I trade every day, okay? And I've also taught a lot of people how to trade the way I trade. Now, over the years, I've understood that every time I have to do three basic things, okay? Number one, search for signal, find the signal. Then do the trade, wait for the results. When I get the result, based on the result, I take another action until I hit my target. So it is rinse and repeat process. That's what I've been doing, okay? I've been rinsing and repeating the same process. And that is the same thing everybody that trades. It's the same thing we are doing. Is it not what you do? That's what all of us will do now. Whether you like it or not, it is what we will all do. Sorry, I'm trying to connect. I've actually disconnected all the phones from internet so that my bot can run faster. Now, wow, I should have done this thing before I even come here. I don't understand. Okay. Just to type one now, I ain't the problem. Oh, good. Nonsense. Sorry, excuse me. I don't understand. This is something I should have done before I come here. Okay, but my mind didn't go there. I was working on something else. So I just said, let me quickly address this so that it has even connected to another Wi-Fi. I didn't know. It has even connected to oneself. Okay, I stopped the phone from connecting to robot so that, okay. All right, so I have it here. I can read the question now. Ashebi, you say I'm connected. So this phone too is almost full. Now, wow, all of them are damn full. Very no land low phone. Okay, so that's how I got involved in, trading with robots. I discovered that I'm repeating the same process every day. I'm repeating the same process every day. I'm going to be looking for, okay, right now as I'm growing this, I started growing this account from almost $4, three something. I've made the amount I'm using, and I'm using $2. Okay, and I know I'm going to overtrade just to hit my target because I want to use small to make big. Now, when you are overtrading like this almost every day, you cannot. You see, there is nobody where if you do the juju for you, where if you do the jazz for you, that you will be able to stick to your rules. You are going to break the rules, okay, because you are going to overtrade. Definitely, you are going to overtrade. Overtrading will be part of your trade. Revenge trading will be part of your trade. Anytime you are trading, you are doing any trading, and you are trying to use $10 to make $100, you are going to overtrade. You are going to do revenge trading. You are going to do plenty. In fact, there is not going to be signal. You are going to generate the signal from your head. You will see what is not visible, what is not available. You will see it. That is normal. Once you are trying to use small to make big, okay, I think I can take a trade now. Maybe I will show you one trade so you get to understand. I'm using $2 to make like 50 cents. Okay, I'm using $2 to make like 50 cents, but I'm trading because the bull market is up. I'm using ends outside. Now, per trade, I can get to make 20%. roughly 20%, 25%, depending on how it's going. Now, I've taken a trade. Okay, I will show you the result. Now, it is not all the time you will be correct. I've been growing it from less than $4. I've actually made $2. The money I'm using to stake, I've made it. This is not the reason why we are here, okay, today. The reason why I'm here today and what I want to discuss about is the question, okay, this is the question. The person says he wants to know about the robot. Is this robot a long-term business or is a short-term business? What I meant is, are we looking at using the same robot in the next 4 or 5 years to come? Yes. The answer to that question is yes. Do you know why it is yes? I have been using the robot since 2021. Actually, I built it 2020. It became stable 2021. I don't know how many years is that. I have been using it since 2021. Every time I'm trying to now build something similar, I'm trying to replicate something similar to that one. Because the first one I built, I had to put it on server. Now, before I continue, let me show you the trade. Remember, the trade I just picked now. Let me show you so that you understand. So it is not, see, the trade is ongoing, okay? That is the account. Okay, this is the account. Are you seeing it? So, like now, I've won. Can you see my balance? It has increased small. So, like that, I'm going to be waiting for signal. I'm going to be waiting for signal. I wait for the right time, the right signal, okay? I wait for the right signal. When I get the right signal, I'll make my entry. Then I get my result. So this balance you are looking, it started from $4. It's now up to $4. It's like $3 something cents. So I've been growing it small, while I'm working. I'm working on something else. I'm working on robots. I'm working on setup, whatever. There are some other things I'm working on to make the robot much more stable to the extent that there is not going to be errors. Okay, all the possible error is what I'm testing for now. Things that can make it suddenly stop working. Okay, when we are using indicator, yes, this man, Arinze understand. Since then, I've been trading like that. Okay, but I now thought of it one day. I think I was here. Okay, I was down. Now, I wasn't here because of anything. I was down because of overwork, overstress. I stressed myself so much. I couldn't do anything. For almost 2-3 days, I couldn't do anything. I couldn't trade. I couldn't even, to look at the screen was a problem. To look at phone was a problem for me. I could not even stare at the screen like this and look at the screen. I was saying, oh. And I thought of myself, I said, but no be today I've been working on automation thing. Every phase or everything I've ever done in my life working, I'll make sure that I know that there is no one way of doing the same thing. I can build a system that will help me make it easier. I said, why can't I build a system that will help me make trading easier as well? I've built the indicator myself. Initially, I gave it out to people to build for me. They were doing nonsense. So I learned it. I built the setup for myself. After I finished building it, I built my own indicator, built my own setup, started it off like that. Then I said, okay, let's see how we can top this thing up. Let's see if, let's start Office. So I started Office. Office did not work out well. Why? It did not work out well because, not because the signal I was giving was wrong or anything, but the people who were working with me were not with the same objective and mindset like I have. Okay? In fact, they didn't make it work. So I scrapped it. I said, if what I want you guys to do, robots can do it for me. I'd rather go and face robots than face you people. Even if I have to spend years before it works, I don't mind. So my bot project is not Oh, we use it 1 year, 2 years. My brother, 2045, I expect my robot to still be making money for me because I don't want to work. I don't want to stress myself. And it has been doing that for me. Are you getting me now? It's already doing it. But now I want to do it on a larger scale. But for me to run it on a larger scale, I need to have multiple accounts. That way, I'm not going to arouse suspicion to myself. They are not going to be monitoring my account or even ban me or whatever. It's going to be a smooth operation. The platform you are using, you are trying to make money. They are also trying to make money. You cannot now come with $1 and be collecting 1,000 every time. And you think they will keep quiet for you. Even if everything you are doing is working, they will make sure they turn it upside down. They will just change it for you. Change the algorithm for you. For one day, they can change algorithm just for a particular set of people. Just to treat their mess up. Make them disoriented and feel like it is not working. So robot is trading, okay? This is the same robot. It's on server. Some of them already have it. This one now, it has finished doing trade today. It just finished now. Why? Because I just connected another account when I woke up around 11 o'clock. It has finished its trading. What is it trading? Accumulator. It has hit its daily profit. Now, a lot of people also now have this same robot on their mobile phone. So you don't have laptop like this. You can have it running on your phone. My own objective, I'm not trying to say, oh, put it on server. Everybody can put it on server. When you have enough money, you prefer the server version because you just pay and put it there. You are not disturbed. You are not checking or whatever. Compared to having it on your phone, if your phone goes off, you need to start it again. It's the same way you see the bot that I have on the website. That same bot, that one is for you to understand how the robot works. It is not that one on the website is not a forever thing. No. It is connected to the big one, which has to be the server version. When you have it on server, you are not touching anything. You have good internet. And mind you, you are on your own. Now, even if you don't have enough money for you to run your own server alone, that's why I had to work on mobile version. You put it on your phone like this. Like this phone now. This phone here, it is plugged to light. The battery is no longer that good. This phone, the battery is no longer that good. But it's a good phone. It's a big phone. It's connected to server. And it's permanently connected to light. I don't take it off. I don't take it anywhere. That's what it's doing. It's trading. It's trading. Okay. Nwanko, you're the one that asked the question. Great. So that's what I'm answering now. Okay. That's what I'm answering now. This thing went off and came back on? I don't understand. The time is showing 3 minutes again. Now, I need you to understand the objective for bots. For me, it's a personal thing. I am only trying not to be selfish and carrying few people along. I'm not interested in hundreds of people or thousands of people. No. I'm interested only in few people. And it will get to a point, I'm not going to be talking about the robot again. You will not hear me say me. Now that you are hearing me talking about it, it's so that you will understand the vision. If I'm going to be trading, I'm doing the same thing. And I'm sure of this same thing. That is what is feeding me. Hello? You see this? I'm proud Deriv trader. I'm a proud Deriv ambassador. Now then they feed me. Not because I do affiliate or anything, but because I trade. That is where I conduct my daily business. If Deriv pack up now, I have to go and look for another platform to start trading with. Are you getting me? Which I'm not praying for them to pack up, because they have been there since 2000. Okay, they've been there 25 years. 2000, they've been there, and they are still there. Okay, now this is a business I have been doing since 2013. I still dey church when I dey trade. In fact, 2012, it was B-Forex I was doing. I was doing Forex, trading gold. When that one show me pepper, make me enter debt basic. Now here I run comot. I run comot for Forex, I can't run go IQ options. Because IQ options, I did not need plenty money. I only need $10 to start. And I was able to use $10 to make $100, make $30, make $50. But the problem I had was withdrawal. IQ option is so strict, so whatever with withdrawals. So I started changing pattern, looking for, which other platform can help me and withdrawal will be easier. Then I discovered that Deriv, they were market something then, something value then. Their name was different. It wasn't the binary safe. That was the first name they were here bearing. I've already created an account before with my Yahoo mail. And then I discovered this one, it be like say, I feel collect money faster. Okay, they tell me I feel collect money faster. I say no problem. Since I feel collect money faster, no problem. That's how I got involved with that, and I started testing it. So 2018, you see, I've been doing it since 2017. But I cannot teach people how I was doing it. Because I know I didn't have no control. No control. Let me tell you, I was trading it like an hustler. 10 to 100, 10 to 100. In fact, 10 to 1,000 was my target, 10 to 1,000. So most times when I get stuck at 200, 100, I'm not happy. Meanwhile, I wasn't seeing what I was achieving. It looks as if I was not doing anything because my objective was too high. I was aiming too high. So I need you to understand the genesis. I'm not interested in what somebody is going to see about. I'm not in competition with anybody. I'm only competing with myself just to earn better, make better. So if I'm inviting you to come and chop and you are querying me, I'll give you red card. I will give you red card. I don't have time. You cannot. Binary is not stressing me. Deriv is not stressing me. You will now stress me on top of what? And I'm not even asking you to bring any. I'm not even collecting money. You are thinking of that one. I'm not collecting money. Some of you don't understand what you are getting into yet. That's why I'm explaining. I'm breaking it down so that you understand. You are practically doing nothing. All the work has been done and it's still being upgraded by me. The reason why I'm doing it is the time I discovered that I wasn't working, I was not earning any money apart from the money I already had. I said, so now like this you go to do. If I no work, no money, we go hunger for this house. If I no work, no money, nobody is going to give me money. Nobody was going, even as at that time, nobody was going to give me money. I wasn't expecting anybody. I'm not expecting nothing for nobody. I had to fend for myself, make myself better, make myself earn better. Nobody is going to help you, except you help yourself. So if you are waiting for somebody to help you, you are dreaming. Help yourself. If you don't help yourself, you're on your own. So it's very simple. It is not today. You are not just doing it today. You are not doing it. It's not just today. 5 years is still a go. 20 years is still a go. That's the plan. That's the objective. Okay? For the robot, that's the objective. Something you are not going to likely be touching. You just start it. Leave it. And guess what? We are not trying to make all the money in the world. Some of you know when you started with me, how I was trading. You know how I was trading. I'll use $20 to make $100. That's the target. Then dollar never even get a price for head like this. So when you make everything, it go be like I just made 50,000 naira. That's how it looks like. You just look like after you do everything, you have been able to make 50,000 naira. And I'll look at it and say that 50K, now somebody's salary. Okay, I don't achieve that target. I'm okay. On to the next one. So I need you to understand. It's not the same. Okay, now imagine somebody who is used to making $20 to $100. That's 500%. I'm not even looking at 500%. No. I've discovered over the years, I've built different developers have built one for me. In fact, not one, two developers built their whole for me. One temporarily, one for like 3 months. After the third month, we discover nothing, did. You share the year, some of my students, they tell you how they use $10 to make $116. It is not it is not magic. It is something possible, but you see, it is over trading. You cannot do that with big money. You can only do it with small money. So it got to the point when I now wanted to scale up. I want to increase my portfolio. It became a challenge. They had to tell me to you have to drop how you are trading. In fact, if I tell you what they gave me as target for a month, you will say 8% for a month. They say I should be targeting 8%, 2% every week. That was the target they gave. I said, I looked the man like this. The first time he told me, I said, is this an insult or something? Because they asked me to trade in their presence. Show us how you're trading. And I demonstrated for them. One say, you will quick get hypertension. One of them told me directly, plain, you will soon get hypertension. In fact, you can easily have heart attack the way you are trading. He said, how are you feeling inside while you're trading? I said, I'm used to it. He said, you are getting used to rubbish. It's nonsense. It's not good. You cannot scale. As an investor, I cannot even give you $10,000 if I see this is how you're trading. Because you are, how did he say it? He used that guy in a black among them. He used a black word. Say, you're a motherfucking risk bearer. That was what he called me. He said, you are risking it all at once. It's too much. You cannot do that with big funds. So what's your plan? I tell them the plan of how I want to grow my own fund. They said, you will lose money faster than you will make money. That was how I paused. And really, I tried it too. I tried it. Just to prove them wrong. I tried it. First month, I turned 1,000 to 4,500. Okay. Second month, that was where I know it's true what they were saying. You see, the way we trade with small money is not the same way. You cannot show the same risk level to big money. In fact, you will have heart attack. Why? Because you're risking. You cannot avoid. Somebody has 1 million and is risking 20%. 200K, now they risk one time. Are you getting it? That was, they made me understand. And when they made me understood all that, I now calmed down. I said, but this thing is going to take a while. They told me it's going to take a while before it works on you. Why? Because you are overexposed to the wrong one. So you need to do the smaller one for a long time until you see your system has adjusted to it. If it's another person, you say you don't have problem, you can easily move to the next phase. I have plan, I have projection I'm looking at. So when I discover that it is me even trading, it's giving me hype or whatever unnecessary stuff, I stop trading. I just allow my robot to trade. And I set it up. So I now told them about the idea of robot. They told me, oh, the platform you are trying to trade on, they also have provisions for robots. Right from onset, I don't use Deriv bots. You see, Deriv, they have bot builder. I don't use it again. Since they've told me, I don't use it again. I started building things outside Deriv so that it will just be like, it comes in, it goes. It comes in, it goes. So I found that they are not making much effort. But you see, the last attempt I did for the robot was getting more people together on the same spot. That has always been the issue. So I've been told not to do that again. Do it separately. Let everybody stay on their home. Even if you are doing the same thing, everybody day your day. That's why I recommend the server version. Day your own day. Be on. Even if it's two of you, you're on the same server, no problem. Just day your day. They operate. Not everybody coming the same time. Are you getting it? Not everybody coming the same time. Let everybody come. It will look as if all of us, just like I gather all of you together now and now say, we want to do live trading session. Oh yeah, get ready. Get ready. Enter. We had one complete month, in fact, 1.5 months, 45 days of trading at the office, no loss. Hello, no loss. And we traded with real money. Not one loss. We were even trading touch themselves. No loss. Not one loss. And we'd never at one day had one trade that exceeded the time frame, because I'm always watching the time. Once the time reaches, I'll say, cut. Stop it. There has to be control. We had control and we had targets. It got to a point we had to reduce the target. We were doing 6 trades before. We reduced it to 4. One testing trade we do with maybe $10. Real money. We were trading with $50 straight up. Each person was trading with $50 straight up. And I had about 12 of them or so. So I've come to understand it's a long journey. It's not today. So that question is not for today. There are times I'm not going to be talking about it again. I'm saying this now. The same way I told my student that, now you can ask me plenty questions. You can even tell me, oh, Mr. Fade, I want to have a session with you. Can you revise with me on this? And I'll give you time. I will show you time. We will do. Anybody who has ever talked to me before will know I do not mind time. I am not greedy over time or talking or relating with people. You've not even paid me. You are not even my student yet. I can speak with you for 1 hour. I don't mind. I will explain to you what I'm explaining or what you need to understand. Still, I'm able to satisfy you. No problem. And I've been telling them there will be time I will not have time to even talk to you again, safe. It's because I get waiting and they walk towards. I get where they go. So as I reach this one, we will do it. Now we are doing bots. I'm talking to you about bots. Note, I'm telling you now, there will be time I'm not going to talk about this bot. Not that it's no longer working or it's no longer functioning, but I'm not interested in telling you anything. Why? I don't want to talk so much about it anymore. I don't want information. So if you're not interested, in knowing about it, I will refer you to all my previous talk about it. Go and listen carefully. I've said so many things about it secretly, quietly. Why? Because there's a Yoruba adage that says, it's not everything you expose, you talk about all the time. You see, the people that are milking this market per seconds billing, they don't talk. They've told me they don't talk. You don't even know them. They don't get name. Why? Because they don't talk. Their interest is in give me. Unlike it's just my own kind of person. That's the way God has made my mind. Even if I don't feel like sharing, it will be like as if I'm dying inside. It will be like as if something is incomplete. I'll be wondering what is wrong now. I will be feeling it until I let it go. Until I let it go before I now get free mindset towards the net fees. That's why you see me when I'm saying it. There are times, in fact, some of the plans, some of the stuff, some of the things I've exposed so much. So that's why I told myself, I'm not going to be talking plenty again about all these things. If you're interested in it, no problem. You are not interested, it does not concern me. You are interested, no problem. I'll explain anything you want. I will take my time, shalaye for you. Secondly, say, what's the average profit percentage in a month that the boat can make on a trading account? I'll give you an instance. My own boat, it uses, before it was using 1,000, okay? It was using 1,000, and then it can get to make me 3,000 in a month. Times 3 of that 1,000. When I was in need of funds, okay, I now remove that 1,000. I reduce it to 300. So when I got more funds from the same bot, now the bot will give me the money. I no get person who will give me money. Now the same robot go trade, make the money. When he make the money, I will come put them back, increase. Only when it has made the money, because it must make money first to feed me, to take care of my expenses. Are you getting it? The robot must make money to feed me first. It must feed me, feed my family well, take care of my expenses. When there is now enough and surplus, okay, I've missed my entry. When there is now enough and surplus, are you getting it? There is enough and surplus. I will now increase it. I don't increase my money anyhow. I increase it when I've made enough. Then I increase it. Are you getting it? That's how I've been treating the robots. It was even this year, 2023, I introduced accumulator. Okay, accumulator runs faster, so I now have to make it twice. So one is for the normal, goes outside. The other one is for accumulator. Those are the robots I have. On the server, when do they trade? From 1 a.m. up to 5, 6 a.m. Highest. The only one that extends to 5 a.m. is when probably there is no much signal, or maybe the robot stopped and then restarts. If it stops due to error, restart itself. It will start afresh. Except that's when it extends till 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m. So that's how it has been trading. No be today. Last year, I only had 2 losses. 365 days a year. I only lost twice. And still, the months I had losses, I still made 250%. The month I had the loss, I still make 250%. Now, at one time before now, I've tried to share. There was a year, I think it was 2019, or no, not 2019, 2021 or 2020, 2021. After that guy was finishing the bot they were doing, I tried to share that one I already built, I already had. That's the S-Robot gang. I've not forgotten about my S-Robot people, okay? I need you to remember, I had S-Robot gang, first one. I had the copier team, second trial. I had the third, I try again, another copier. The copier is different from S-Robot gang. S-Robot is the one that I have on server. Okay, but here, everybody having it on their phone, sometimes internet and stuff are the issues. So I discovered that we cannot run it successfully, okay, because of internet palaver. MTN, some people are using MTN, global, our network is unstable. So internet was the major problem. But the one I kept on server works fine. So I knew it was working. You see, since then, it's been paying me. Right now, I'm working on, what's it called? Developing stuff. I'm developing, building stuff. I'm not doing trading, I'm building stuff. Apart from this one that I'm playing with, I'm building stuff. Are you getting it? But my robot has traded in the morning. I've cashed out. I'm okay. I don't now need to say, let it do morning session, afternoon session. Why? Because I have done that before, my brother. It does not last. And you cannot even put that mentality in a bot. You are a Montula pepperoni if you do that. Because it's not going to last. No, it's not going to last. If I can have, look at this for instance. I have $300 and I'm able to use that $300 to make $900. Which business? Who they do business where we give you that kind of returns? That's why you see the setup for the bot. I told you, use stake version. The stake version makes a lot of sense. Babe. Now, if you don't now have confidence about that, let's say you start with, let's say, for instance, you start with $10, right? What's the 10% of $10? Mind you, my home bot is even trading 10%. The one on server, it's only accumulator that is trading. It's only accumulator that is trading 20%. No, it's even 15%. So most times it ends up becoming 20%. Sometimes it's 15% accumulator. Then goes outside 10%. That's what it's aiming for. So as per, what is the return? Average profit return in a month. You are looking at if you have $100 as stake. I'm not saying as capital, because whatever stake you have, you should have ×3 of it. Okay, if you have $100, it means you must have $300 as your capital. We are going to now use $100 from that $300 to start the trade. You say, what about when losses happen? You see, the losses happens once in a while. And even if you had 1 in a month or 2 in a month, you will still end up being profitable if you do not stop trading. It's only if you stop trading, you are not going to get back what you have lost. Are you getting it? In a month, ordinarily, the robot can make over 500%. But the target is not 500%. Even my home, once he hits 300, he stops. There was a time he was doing 500. So there was a period I was expecting the 500. In fact, I've calculated my expenses with that 500. And suddenly, I discovered it was not up to 500. It was now 200 and something because he had a loss. I just say, I don't like inconsistency. I like consistency. Let it be consistent. If I'm going to be earning 300 every time, let it be 300. If it's going to be short, let me know that the market is bad. So I reduced it. So the one you guys are exposed to now is doing the same paro as my home. In fact, I have not hidden any. The only thing that I think I have not added is that before I've tried that version whereby I combine both of them together, but I don't see any fun in it. That's why I separated it. Whereby I'm trading both, goes outside accumulator. I don't see any fun in it. They are two different options. They work two different ways. So I let them stay differently. So accumulator stand on its own. So you choose the one you want. But accumulator is always faster. Okay, but there are days that goes outside. It's common, out of maybe 20 days or 30 days. Goes outside can use 10 days and finish in less than 1 hour or 2 hours. The remaining days, it may take long, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, varies. But the most quickest part of the trade can be under 1.5 hours. Pium, pium, you don't close. So once I hit my target, I stop. That is how my trading is being. Now, that's how come I am not trading every day like before again. That's why you are not seeing me, let us trade together. I'm not interested. I am not interested. Why? I don't want to disturb my mental peace. My brother, I don't. As I dey like this now, I get peace for my head, get peace for my mind. I don't want to start stressing myself. Why? Because I'm building my portfolio based on the support my bot is going to give me now. That is what is going to be connected to my portfolio, not me. Not even me again. That's why I'm establishing it properly. Oh, I've tested this one, tested that one. Like right now, what am I doing? I'm testing. I'm testing because I've observed that there are times the platform will do Ojoro, they will seize the data. So I'm testing that once data sees those periods, I want to see. Thank God for ChatGPT. It has made me understand the things lacking in my code setup and structure. So those things that they say it lacks is what I'm putting in place. Memory, experience where I get, I'm now downloading it. So I've answered your first question about, is it a short time? It's not a short time, it's a long time. In fact, more than 5 years till binary pack up. And I'm always updating it. I can tell you update I did 2023, 2022, 2021, 2024. Updates that I did on the robot itself. Okay, my robot before was running on signals provided from MT5. I had to remove it when I saw the updates that happens on binary. I removed update from MT5. I don't use MT5 anymore. I have my own setup. I have built my own signal bot. It's going to be looking for it, generate it, get it itself, get table, get charts, get everything. And then it uses that to trade. Joseph, you're welcome. Are you getting my explanation now? Now, the third question, you say, what's the risk management using this robot to trade? Now, the risk management involved is this. This is what I always recommend for people. I don't like losing money. Are you with me? Why? Number one, nobody's going to give me money. If I need money now for any project or anything special, okay, I have to hustle for it myself. Nobody's going to give me money. So if I need any money now, I want any money now for anything, sorry, I'm trying to grow the money to $10. I like to collect. Once my money is $10, I collect. And mind you, some of you can grow $10 to $100, and then you now want to say you want to grow that $100 to what? Collect your money, grow your fund in your own Naira account. Collect. And sometimes you trade, you make the money, collect. When I remember the very first profit I made from IQ options, oh boy, I celebrated. I go to Tantalizer or something to go and chop with the money. I said, this is money from pressing button like this, 1 hour. Ha! Okay. I chopped the money, celebrated it. You are trying to accumulate. You are going for 1,500. What stops you from collecting the 100? Do it again. So if you lose, you will know you only lost $10. So as regard the risk involved, that's why I have a plan. If you are using my robot, I recommend first use 1 month to run, so that if there is any error, we will find it, we will see it. When we see the error, identify the error. When we identify the error, boom, your account is going to run smoothly. You're not going to have any issues. Okay, so that you understand, as I'm talking to you, I'm doing trade. That is not hard, it's not difficult. This is another trade, Abi. Sure, you are seeing the balance. Let me show you so that it is not be today. Okay, it's not today. Sure, you are seeing the balance. See the trade. It's while I'm talking to you. So it remains just 1 second. It has finished. Sure, you see my balance now. You see the new balance. I hope you are seeing it. So you will not say I'm doing magic. It's not magic. It's not magic. It's not magic. So you collect your money. I don't have anybody that is going to give me one special welcome party, or I need funds, I lack funds, I need money for this or that. Who I won't go meet? Then they come meet me. Who me I won't go meet? Wait, who? Who? Let's say I even need funds right now. I remember, is it 2022 or 20? Yeah, 2022. 2022. I need funds. Because I exhausted all my funds. I needed funds. Nobody gave me ₦1. Nobody gave me one. I am repeating, nobody. Even the ones I've done for, she, no come out. So who I want to go meet? See, if you are thinking that way, if you are thinking that way, this money that I want to use, why am I being careful about just $4 or $3? I'm being careful about $3. I see all the money the same now. Big, small, treat them the same. This money, I don't mind if I will have to spend 1 hour, 4 hours to grow it. It does not concern me. Isha is not going away. I'm going to double it. So the same mindset is what I have towards anybody coming right now. I don't want you to lose money. That's why you see me, I'll tell you, use 1 month. Test run for yourself. You will see the results. You will know if you are to proceed or not. You will know if it will favor you or not. You will know if everything Mr. Faith is saying in his mouth or he's just whining us. There are times, maybe your even first trade, the robot is going to do, you encounter losses. It does not mean the month is not going to be profitable. I've had months like that. I've had couple of times, most especially when I'm trying to add new people, add another person, or trying to update the whole thing. I had things like that, where the first month I experienced a loss. The first day or the first week I had a loss. I mean, the very first day I launched it. Do you know that was last year? First day I relaunched because I updated my chart. I had a loss. Straight up, minus. So I'm starting with minus. Was I shaking? No. Why? Because I've seen it before. But you, that's just coming, you have not seen it before. You will be shaking. What you want, bo, Jesus, what bo? And you say I will make money. I've just started, I've lost money. So what will I do, or what will I say to explain it to you that will make you understand? Except you experience it, you see it in action. Oh, okay, I've seen it. There was a time I had a loss. It took like a week plus, and I was back in profit. Are you getting it? There is not everything you use mouth to explain. There are times, some of these things you allow people to experience it themselves. That way, they will never forget. They will have the same experience, the same exposure, the same confidence you have, they will have it. That's how to pass it along. Not by explain. If I explain, talk and give you, it will look like slow motion. No be today. I've explained like that for years. No be today, so I know. So, what is the risk involved? The risk is very simple. Let me tell you what we are practically doing. Now, to somebody who look as if I'm trying to make 300%. To me, this is what we are actually doing. I have $300. I want to use it to trade. But for me, I'm not looking at trading it daily, whatever. This is what I'm looking at daily. I have a monthly target of, I want to use this $300 to make 100%. Can I make 100% of this money that I have? Let me break it down so that you understand how my risk ratio work, okay? My objective work. I'm not trading like forex trader that will say ratio 1:3, ratio 1:1. No. Binary can give me that ratio. I've tried it. I've done that version. It does not work well with me. Why? Because of my greed. And I know many people are like me too. Greedy fellow. They know the hear word once. Even though he has grown $5 to $50, he will not stop. He will not collect the money until he blows it. Then he will go and collect another $50, fresh one, and then do woto. Revenge trading, everything go. That is what I am lacking. The collecting of my profit. You collect. See, this one you are looking at now. If to say e don't reach $10, I go down collect am. It will read is 0. Each day, I start my account balance on this account with 0 every day. With 0. I must collect everything. Go and ask Bakare, who is my payment agent. Once it's more than $10, I collect. There are days I will collect twice. Why? Maybe this one has not dropped. This one has dropped. I will collect twice. As they come, I know they leave am. I know they take high, see the money. I must to collect. Why? Expenses dey boku for ground for the money to do something. Yeah, I will not leave it there and say I'm growing something. No, if I want to grow, I will grow purposefully. I'll do it deliberately. Don't tell me that's how I'm growing. You can do your own like that. No problem. This small version has helped my ministry. So I stick with the small version. Now, for me to scale to the big version, I now know how to scale to the big version. That does not mean I need to stop the small version. I've created a platform for the big version myself. So this small version still running, still funding me. This big version, this small version will fund the big version. That is how I'm working. This small version that is bringing the $10 will fund the big project that wants to start trading with 4,000, 5,000. This one makes the money to fund it. That's what. See. Do you know how I collect your money once it gets $10? When IQ option show me Pepe, I will grow money from $10 to $100, $150, whatever. Now to collect will now be a problem. That's why I graduated. I moved to binary now to collect my money because it was easier collecting money in binary. I moved there straight. I said, I know they stay here. How will I grow? You will now wait until I lose all the money before you will now approve. And then binary even have best options in withdrawals. You can withdraw your money DP2P, if not for the fact that Nigerians mess it up. DP2P, payment agent, wallet, perfect money, name it. They have various options, even Nigeria options. Now that you can deposit and collect in Naira, straight from direct Naira, direct. Is available on the platform. So withdrawal is not an issue. So if you grow your money, it's because you are not appreciating the small percent. People don't appreciate small percent. Mind you, what are we trading for? Me that I'm used to trading 30%, 40%, 50%. I'm now trading 5%, 6%, 7%. You think I don't know what they do? Because those percentage does not shake binary. It does not do anything. And it comes very freely. You see, for people who their problem is greed, lack of control, they do revenge trading. You know, say this thing they work. You have seen yourself grow money. You now want to do revenge because you have missed road. You want to do revenge. If you know you are that category, robot is ideal for you. Let bot trade for you. Don't stress yourself. Why? You will still repeat it. I promise you will still repeat it. Except you do what I did for almost a year. I did that for almost a year. Strict on the same rule. Do this, do this, do this. I did for a whole year. I did not test any other thing. In fact, I did not work on robot. I did not work on anything else. I was strictly following the rule. That was the only way I was able to stay focused, getting the same thing. And that was what made me understand if I will stick to this rule, it will work. So I just built a bot to be doing it for me. I'll just leave it, go away. So I need you to understand. What are the risks? The risk is very simple. We are using 100% of your money to make like 100%. One, gain one. But you see, the robot is not going to risk all your 100%. Let's say you have $300. Now you are using $100. We are now going to be using that $100 to try and make 20% of that $100 every day. Now, the robot is going to be trading every day. No Saturday, no Sunday, no weekend, no weekdays, every day. It's doing it every day. So 7 days a week. So for a whole week, it might have made 140%, right? Now, what are we targeting? In 2 weeks, you can achieve that 300%. That 300% target. If there was no loss, you can achieve it. Now, in 4 weeks, you can achieve 600. We are not aiming for 600. We've allowed for losses. If losses happen, whatever, once we get to our target, the month, it stops. Now, the robot is not going to take more than what you have. In fact, it's going to take, it can only risk and use 210% of your whole capital. And before you can launch the robot, if you, whatever stake you want to use, you must have minimum times 3 in your account. Times 3. You must have times 3 of it. If you want to be using $100, you must have $300. You want to use $50, you must have at least minimum 150. Now, the robot is now going to be trading. Imagine if he's trading with $50. Every day, his target is going to be making 10% of that $50, which is like $10. Are you getting it? Most times, it will be more. Are you with me? But we are not interested in the more. Those assets are jara. So, you can now be making $10 every day. With $50, you're making $10 every day. $10 every day. Until you make, you see that your capital, which is $150, until you make $1,500. Don't change. Hello? You want to be profitable? You want to smile? You want to enjoy it? Do not change. You change, you buy, you destroy the whole setup. Because when you experience losses, it's going to shake you like this. The same way when you yourself, you lose and you are not feeling comfortable and confident anymore about the platform. It's the same way it's going to shake you. So leave it alone. How long will it take for me to make times 10 of it? Let me explain it to you. I have 150, right? I have 150. Month 1, I'm able to make 150. Month 2, 150. I need to do it for almost 10 months before I change the parole. Abi? Until you are able to do it for more than 10 months. When you have made enough profits, you can now say, I don't want to use 150 anymore. Don't say you have done 3 months, you want to change it, except you know, before you started, what you are actually aiming to start with is, let's say 1,000. But you say, let me test with 150. And you tested for like 3 months or 6 months. Then you can now start using your normal one. Meanwhile, you are not even risking your money anymore now. You are risking profits. You are not going to be emotionally attached. You are not going to feel it. Your mind is going to be free. You will be able to allow the thing to do as you wish. That's how I'm able to relax and say, forget, nothing they happen. Let the robot take care of itself. I don't even think about it. I don't know they think about that. Before, I had to wait. You see, when I newly started it, I had to wait. When I started real money, I'll be monitoring almost every day. Check it. Has it traded? The period is going to be traded. I'm going to be looking at the chart, saying, is he actually picking the signals that like I will pick it? And when I see that it was following, I left it alone. I stopped monitoring it. But you have not seen it in action before. So you first need to test. This way you are not losing anything. You have nothing to lose. You are not doing anything. Your own is just to start it, leave it. So is it 1 month or 2 months you cannot afford to look at it? Instead of you risking real money and losing, why not test it first? Don't say they did not tell you. They will tell some people, they will not hear. They will think they are trying to be smart. Don't be smart. You have enough time to test and try anything. You have enough time. So don't rush anything. The last question. Will there be subscription for the robot as time goes on? Okay, I'll tell you this way. I'm trying to optimize the robot for portfolio management. The whole idea for building the robot is so that, let's say you want to trade. It is not, I need you people to understand, if you're just watching me or you're not used to option trading, let me explain this to you. It is not EA. It's not expert advisor like forex trading. No. I'm not trading forex. It is not forex trading. It is IQ option. It is option trading. We are trading option. We are trading a market that is created by brokers, not real market. All the markets that you see available with the volatility, they are synthetic market. They are simulations. They are not real. Are you getting it? They are not real market. There is no market named volatility 25. There is no market named bull market. They are all market created and managed by Deriv. Are you getting it? So if you are still here, you are trying to trade and you are saying their ojoro is too much, what do you expect? They are the one managing it. They must do ojoro. You cannot be winning all the time. You cannot be right all the time. Even if you are right for 3 months, they can make you not to be right for a whole month. Wrong. You just be, every prediction you do will be wrong. You will not get it right. You will not be wondering, hey, I've been predicting I'm not getting this thing right. Their manipulation is too much. The manipulation is too much. My brother, there will be manipulation. Okay? And the manipulation also will be very much. It will be much. Okay? But I do not mind you making money for 3 months, 4 months, straight up. You are making money back to back, collecting. 4 months, 6 months. You see, they can use 1 month to collect all the money you have made. And they will also collect additional money from you. They will treat your psychology fuck up. They will fuck your psychology up. They will mess you up to the extent that you will think you are the one doing wrong. Don't worry. But I'm sharing with you based on experience. I've been running on this platform for years, so I know these are things that happen. So instead of you coming to the market trying to grab everything, just take small. Let me tell you, you that you're watching me, what's stopping you from you being able to make? Let's even go to the lowest. If you know right now, here as you are, that you can make 2% of your stake, 2% of your stake per day, can you type 1? I'll tell you what the problem is. That problem, it took a while for me to master it. So it's not something that, if you can make 2% on Deriv, if you stake, let's say $10, you can make 2% with $10. Type 1. You are sure, you know, you are confident that you can make 2%. Okay? I may likely lose this trade. It's too close. I don't like when it's too close. Hey, it's too close. Wait, let me get back to. It's too close. It's very close. It was almost pulling back up. See, it's very pull. It was taking. Now, can you see my balance? I hope you are seeing my balance. This one I'm doing while I'm talking with you. Okay, I was doing it before I started the video. Now my question is, if you can make 2% of your stake. Now I'm trading with $2. Do you know of any strategy that can allow you to make 2%, 2% per day of your stake? If you can do that, type 1. I've only seen one person. Arins, they say you can do that. If you can do that, type 1. Now, if you cannot do that, no problem. Just go and watch my teaching on accumulator. Look for, what's it called? A playlist on my YouTube channel here. Look for a playlist titled Accumulator, okay? Watch that training. Watch the training, how to trade accumulator. Watch the free strategy I gave there. My bot is trading the same strategy, okay? My bot is trading the same strategy. Now, take that strategy and do just one trade. In fact, don't do 10%, don't do whatever, just do 5%. Just be doing one trade every day. Do it for 1 week, test yourself, 1 week. You see, the problem we have is lack of discipline, lack of commitment to stay true to that thing that you know is working without allowing the greed mentality or mindset to pop in. Let's do extra. Extra is what cobalize you. Now back to the question. Will there be subscription? Right now, if you want to subscribe to the bot, okay, which is going to run like that for a year, I'm going to leave it to run like that until you have made enough money. Now that you have made money, if I bill you, if they burn you well, no pay. If they bill you, they burn you well, no pay. Because all the money where you no pay me all the while, I will bill you, you must pay. Are you getting it? But for now, I want people to grow and make money. So the only thing that you get to pay for the bot, let me explain them to you. There are 3 versions right now. Okay, 3 versions. Number 1, the website. Now on the website, you can start a robot, but you have to stay on the page. Like you open it on your phone, you have to open it down, start it, you have to stay there. Your internet must be active, everything must be active, then it's going to trade. That is just to show you how the bot works. Now that same website is connected to the server version. It's connected to the server version of the bot. But you see, how does the server version work? You rent a VPS server, meaning you are renting a system on the internet. The system already has internet access. Now, you don't need to pay for internet. You don't need to pay for anything. You are only paying to rent that system online. This is called virtual PC system, okay? You are renting it. You rent it. Averagely, to rent it for a month like that is always like, if you are paying a small period, roughly, let's say $10 or $11. Now, you need to rent that space. That is for the server side. We will now place the robot, not the website version now, but the server version. We will now place it on the server. It will now be running for you automatically. Once you start it, you start it. It's only when you want to do maintenance or something is wrong, you get to go there and check it and update it. Apart from when you want to change from from demo to real, or change your stake, or change your token, you are not doing anything. Once you start it, you start. It will also be giving you information. It will send message to you. It has done trade today. It has done this one today. It has done complete 3 trades. It has done 2 trades today. He win 1. He lost 1. You will see all the reports every day. You will also get to see the report of that your server on the TMNmedia website bot. You will see it there. Now they are connected. They are the same. So once you are using server, you don't need to do on system again. You don't need to on the page. You don't need to trade anything. Server will take care of everything. Your own is just to check, and you will get notification on how it's performing. You will also get notification on your TMN Media page. You also get on your Deriv page. Even on the server, there is a documented one, so that if there is a skip of whatever, we'll have data we can get information from. Are you getting it? Now, you see I've mentioned mobile and then the server version. Now, because of my mindset, I know everybody is trying, we are all hustling. We are trying to make ends meet. You are trying to make money. You know, you are trying to better your income financially. I know you may not have, for instance, to pay for that VPS for, let's say, with the VPS and setup for 3 months, you need $52. Yeah, to set up the server. Okay, server bot, the bot, robot, let it be on server. You need $52. $32 for 3 months subscription. $20 for setup. Now that $20 is a one-time setup fee. That one you are paying me to set it up for you. And not just to set it up, to maintain it, to manage it, to check when there is update. When I need to put an update, I'll be able to update it instantly. I don't need to start whatever. You are not putting it on the server is not in my household. It's not in my system. You will be the one to set up your server. You'll be the one paying for it. You give me access. I will access it, put everything you need there, boom, start it. Even show you how to start it if you want to start it yourself. It's not difficult. But you see, the main part of the whole thing is that whole server thing will cost you like $52. Then, for the robots to trade, you need to have already had subscription for at least 3 months. For you to even have robots activated in the first place, you need 3 months subscription. What you are subscribing for is the signal the robot is going to be trading. The robot, I am not collecting any money for it. Hello? I am not collecting any money for it. The robot itself to trade, the one that is doing the work, that is, I'm not collecting any money. Are you getting me? I'm not collecting any money for the robot. What I'm collecting money from you for is setting it up for you and managing it. You'll be taking my time. Oh, this thing is not, let me have a look at it. And that is for the period of while it is running. So your robot, before you can even access the robot, you must first subscribe for the robot. Subscription for that signal robot is going to be 3 months is $13,500. You can see it's not expensive. It's not even as expensive as your monthly server. That is the price I've been using since even before dollar went up. For my signal, is as low as 1,000. You can even get 1,000 per week subscription. So it's 5,000 a month. That is 3 months. I gave discount. You have 35. Okay. So the only thing the bot needs is it's going to be trading with the signal. So you have to subscribe for the signal it's going to be trading with. So when you subscribe for the signal, it's now going to be trading. It will be active. Now, because many people may not have that money to say, oh, I don't have $52 now. Even if I get that $52, I will be using it to trade personally. I don't have $52 to set up server. That is why I came up with the mobile version, whereby you will turn your phone, the same phone you are using, okay? The same phone you are using. Let me tell you, okay, so nice one, sure. One of the, let me tell you one thing. Like right now, my own server, I've paid for a whole year. The server that is trading, making me money. I've paid for a whole year. In fact, initially I wanted to pay for 2 years. And I said, wait, maybe if anything go wrong, I'll be able, I can still change to another one. If they mess up or do anything. But I've been using them since 2018. So they've been stable. I just said, let me pay for 1 year first. I just changed my mind. I've paid for a whole year. A whole year, you're not going to spend more than $50, $60. $60 is for a whole year at the rate of like $5 or $6 per month. You are paying for the server with a dedicated IP. Not that the one that is going to be changing, you are from Germany, and if you like the one that is going to be changing, boom, now you. But me, I like it to be stable. This is where I'm coming from. This is where I'm coming from. That I know this is where I'm coming from. I've tried the one with changing IP. I don't like her. The results no nice. You go just the change parole, changing my location as if today I'm from Russia, next tomorrow I'm from UK, another week I'm from US. It's just changing. In fact, there was a time I was from Togo. I said I could not use that one really for other things I wanted to use. So I said I needed dedicated one. So you have dedicated IP. Without all that, it's roughly maybe like $8 or $9 monthly. But you see, if you have not made money, you will not understand that that server money you are paying is nothing. Until you made money, then you will understand that that server money you are paying for is just like you are paying tax. Are you getting it? Imagine you are making $300 and you are only just to pay $10 a month. Will you not be happy to pay it? As long as you are sure that the money, this thing is going to be constant. Are you not going to pay it? That's exactly what it is. And mind you, all this, I have not even asked you to pay me for my robots. Until you have made money for more than 10 months, that I'm sure you are now stable. That is when I will now bring you up to the phase 2 of the robot. Okay, all this one I'm explaining to you is just phase 1. Is the starting. Lest I forget, the last one, which I now have to create, is the mobile version home. Now, that mobile version home, you are not doing anything. You will just use your phone. Okay, your phone is going to serve like your own server. As long as you have uninterrupted internet on your phone, and then you are not always like call all through. If you are the one who calls throughout, I will not recommend you use it. If you know, you are connected to office internet while you are calling, while you are doing everything, you can connect to hotspots or Wi-Fi, and the robot will be working at the background. Now, because my website cannot work at the background, okay, it will only work while you are on it. Now, you see there is the version we can install on your device. That one will not cost you anything. After you've paid for subscription, you only pay for $5. $5 to install it on your phone. We'll now install it on your phone. Your phone must be Android or iPhone. Don't come. It will not work for you, Android. iPhone. If you are using Android, your Android must be more than Android version 11. From 11 upward, you are okay. You can now have it on your phone. You'll be able to start, you'll be able to stop. It's going to work on the background. Whatever you are doing, as long as you don't off it, your phone go off. When you come back on, you start it again. So I'll teach you how to start it. I'll teach you how to stop it. I'll teach you how to change and how to set up. So it will just be like you turn your phone to laptop while you are busy going around. But you must make sure your internet is stable. If your internet is going off and on, forget it. It's not ideal for you. Are you getting it? I'm making all this, I'm breaking this thing down, making it simple so that it's going to be affordable for you. I'm considering when I didn't have anything on it, I wasn't making anything, how I was feeling, how I was seeing this thing, how I'm citing everything. That's the factor I use in building and developing anything I'm doing. I know there are many people like that. There are many people who are not able to make money trading because of indiscipline. Not because whatever they taught them was not working, but because they know themselves. Once they start, they are thinking about the bill they need to settle. I need to hustle and make money so that I can settle this one, settle that one, settle that one. So instead of me making $10, $20 will be fine. You have made $10 instead of you to collect and celebrate it. Now lie, you don't want to. Why? You are looking at making more because of your challenges. Those things can pressurize you. They can pressurize you. I've been there. Oh, nobody to give me money, nobody to do this. I must hustle to make money. So, but one thing I'm grateful to God for was that I learned one factor very early. Once I make enough, that is more. In fact, some people collect some people can withdraw $5. It's just that the person me I use, his limit is $10. So I'm okay with $10. Some people can collect $5. Some payment agent can collect $5 from you and say, oh, you want to collect $5, we will give you $5. Come and collect $5. Are you getting it? So collect your money. Grow your money in your own account. You know you are greedy. You lack control. You lack focus. You lack discipline. Work on robots. Now, if you know your internet is not available, you are not stable, you are not this, my brother, my sister, please. Once you know that you are not that stable that much, leave this thing alone. Okay? Don't use it. Don't bother because it's not going to work. If you are interrupting, starting, restarting, you will miss everything. Robot is supposed to be running. Like as this phone is now, this phone I'm using to stream to you, robot is running on it at the background. Even as I'm doing all this thing we are talking, the robot is running. This one, the robot is running. It has done the trade for today. It is for tomorrow again now. But it's still running. It's still running. So that's why I had to make 3 versions. The website version, that website version. You don't need to install anything. You open your phone. You can have it on your laptop. Run it. Once it's done, you close it. You start it again when you are ready. It's just that you may not be able to trade, what is it called? You may not be able to trade, how will I call it now? The selected that much. Because the selected takes time. And selected signal is what me I trade. It takes time. You may have seen like 30 signals and it's not trading it. Why? Because it's waiting for the wrong one to happen and pass. So after the wrong one happen pass, then it goes. That's what selected is. Are you getting it? That's what the selected is. So you have the selected version, you have the normal version. The normal version can still quickly catch a loss, but the selected is going to avoid the losses. When he avoids the losses, he's now going to be looking at the other ones. So those are the information. I just said, if you have a question as regard this thing, as regard anything, please let me know. Hey, let me show you my trade so far. I think I'm not going to do any more trade because the market is not moving that much anymore. I'm just going to stop it here. Okay, you can see the trade now, the update. I started it from $4. No, 3.8. Okay, I started it from 3.8. I started the account from 3.8 something. Okay, I've done 20%, like almost. I'm trading with $2.5. I've made times 2, almost times 2 of my money. Even while I'm talking with you on this video, I've done plenty trades. I've shown you, Abby. That is normal person trading, me trading. So, but putting it for robot to trade, it's going to select, wait patiently, then do the trade. So those are some of the things. That's why some people can run the bot and say, oh, Not that the normal is not okay. The normal is okay, but you see, you're going to be seeing concurrent losses. You can have a loss very fast. Why? Because out of every 10 signal, there will always be one, or one is only out of 20, you get 2 or 3 that will go wrong. So what the selected robot does for the signal is that it's going to be looking at the signal. Out of every 20, it's going to be selecting for, once you capture the losses, we will now do our trade. Are you getting it? We will now do 2. We'll pause again. We'll wait. Let us catch. We've seen, okay, it's been stable, it's been stable. Their period, it can be stable for 6 hours, 8 hours, no loss. Are you getting it? Those periods are also considered. Then it does it straight. But usually, me, I don't like stopping it. I just allow the thing to run by itself. So any question, guys? Any question? Don't worry. When people start cashing out, they will be the one to tell you. Me, I'm not going to be talking about it again. Anybody that is interested in telling other people, no problem. Tell them. Let them hear. Me, I'm not going to be yarning, talking. You see, I'm not talking so much about it. I'm only explaining, giving you details. How to get in? Very simple now. If you go to, what's it called? If you check the description of, the description of this video, you'll see the link to the bot's own. Once you subscribe, remember, okay, Sandra is asking, how much is the bot? Okay, let me break this down. Let me see if I can do a small recap. Abi? The robot itself is free. The bot itself is free. Now, to activate the bot, to get the bot, because the robot is going to be trading Signal, you need to subscribe for Signal. Minimum subscription for Signal is 13,500 for 3 months. 13,500 for 3 months. Once you activate the bot, automatically now you have the bot. You log into the website, you can use the bot to trade. Test the bot. You can run the bot on your mobile phone, whether iPhone, whether Android, whether laptop. It will run and work very well. Now, there are other 2 versions of the bot that you can activate it. Now, there is one, the server side. Now, those server side now has 2. It has mobile version. It has the VPS version. The VPS version is the one you pay $32 for 3 months. You subscribe for VPS. If you already have VPS, no problem. You just put your bot there. Now, you now pay $32 for 3 months, then $20 one-time installation fee. Are you getting me? The robot itself is still free. You're not paying for the robot. Are you getting me? You're not paying. Until you have done like a year, you don't make money where. We will now graduate you to the phase 2. It has phases. This is phase 1, growing. We want you to grow, make money with the robot. Then the last part is the mobile version. You don't have $32 for server. You see your normal one you on the website, it's working already. It can do the work for you. You don't want to subscribe to any all those ones, no problem. But you don't want you want uninterrupted supply, uninterrupted focus, uninterrupted things. Now, you don't want to be disturbed. That is the server version. You place it there. Uninterrupted internet. Nobody's touching anything. He's just doing his thing. He's just be trading every day. That's where my home is. Are you getting it? That's where my home is. Now, the mobile is to make it, somebody who does not have $50, can the person still run it on his phone or on your laptop that you have internet stable? Let's say, for instance, you are the type that your phone rarely goes off. It's good for you. That one, it will not cost you more than all the whatever. It's just $5 for installation. Are you getting it? Mobile server, $5 for installation. Then you must already have subscription for your, now your robot is going to be getting monthly signal subscription. 3 months, every three months, you renew your subscription, 13.5. The signal is trading is what is not free. The robot itself is free. All those installation I'm doing, they are also free. The only thing that is not free, before now, my signal service has been free for years. For more than 2 years, it was free. I know they do free breeze for signal. In fact, when it was free, I had lesser people using it. Why? Free things does not have value. Are you getting it? That's why what I'm trying to achieve with the bot is to help you grow. Let's grow together. There is a phase me I've gotten to now. That's the second phase. I want you to grow from the first phase. Come and meet me from that second phase. That second phase is where you will see how to operate it very well. You put it on your server, it's working for you. In fact, you do year package. You will not disturb yourself. Your own is just to be collecting money. Are you getting it? Your first month, you would have gotten back your initial investment. You will now have free money, profit running for you. You are not going to be shaking. If you have that way of trading, nothing will shake you. I can bet you. Nothing will shake you. Okay, I need to show you updates. Maybe I can still get $10. I don't know. But it means I still need to do 2 trades. Are you seeing it? It means I still need to do 2 more trades. I don't want to do, I've done enough trade today. I know they do again. So I'll leave it like that. I'll leave it like that. Let it stay like that. No problem. When tomorrow come, I will have the profit from tomorrow. I will have and join. Is up. I grew it from, it means today I've made roughly maybe like $5 with this. That's more than enough. I'm not doing again. I just don't feel like doing again. Not that I cannot reach that $10. I've done too much trade. I don't want to do again. I've done, even while I'm talking here now, I've done how many trades? I'm not doing again. I know they do again. Reason, I don't want to be overtrade. It's not part of me anymore. So I don't want to bring anything. So the bot is very simple. Bot itself is just, is free. What you need to pay for is the signal the robot is going to be trading on. That signal is not free. 3 months subscription for that signal is 13.5. So that's what you are paying for. When you pay 13.5, you get access to the robot with your account. Now, once you get access to that robot with 13.5, it means every 3 months you can be renewing your subscription. Or if you want to do a year, you do a year. You want to do 6 months, you can do 6 months. Now, once you have, okay, Arinze is asking about the mobile version. Now, you see that subscription you've made for the robot already provided you mobile version for the robot, whereby you can log into your phone, start the robot, stop the robot, use the robot on your phone, on your laptop, iPhone, Android. You can start and stop the robot. Use the robot on your phone. But you see, the challenge with that mobile version is that you have to stay connected on that my page. You have to stay on the page. Are you getting it? You must stay on the page, on your robot. While you're on the page is not going to allow your phone to sleep. You stay on your robot. Like that, you are good. It does the trade, it stop. You can be doing that every day. Now, you want to save yourself from doing that every day. To like maybe doing it once a week or twice a week. And then you can use your phone as you like, but it's running at the background. That's where the mobile server version comes in. Now, you don't want to use that mobile server version. You want the Ogarabata version that does not have any issues, that will make you experience freedom. The one I'm using is VPS server version. You are going to put the robot on server. It's going to be running on server. You will be able to see what it's doing on the server. Now, you don't have, for the server, if you have server on your home, no problem. If you want to go and get the server on your home, no problem. But it's a bit expensive. Okay? Some of them that are the lowest, they have lowest operating system that cannot even run very well. Okay? Those ones that are very cheap, like $3, they have lowest, they cannot carry it. It's going to be failing. But the ones that can carry them start from, it must have at least 4 gig RAM. So instead of you going into specification and stuff like that, I have the one I have been using. I will recommend for you, sign up here. When you sign up, they are 3 months, 3 months, 3 months subscription is like $52. Now it's dedicated IP, okay, $52 and very stable, confirmed, stable. Then after you have secured your VPS, you now pay for $20 one-time installation fee, because I'm going to install on that I'm going to do installation on that your server, and I'm also going to set the robot up, and also with interval going to be checking and maintaining that your server. That's your bot on the server, so that if there is updates, I can easily update everything. I will update it as I'm running updates here. Go to your server, we'll run the update straight up, so that you are not lagging behind. Everything is moving accordingly. Now, that's how the server version works. The server version, you don't need to do anything. Once you start it, you leave it alone. You are not testing, you only be checking for the update. And you have like 4 ways you get update from the server version. Now, the mobile server version is like, okay, I don't have $52 for 3 months or $32 for 3 months. I don't have money to pay for server right now, but I still would love to do the server hold, but I don't have that money now. But I would love the mobile version hold. The mobile version will only cost you $5, but you will use your phone and the internet on your phone. Your phone is going to be the server. The internet on your phone is going to be the internet connected to the server. So it's going to be operating from your phone on the background. Are you getting it? At the background. It will not disturb your business, whatever you are doing. But if you know you are the type, there are now specifications for the phone. The phone must be Android, no iPhone. Androids only. That Android must be more than Android version 11 upward. If it is below, you cannot do it. It's version 11 upward that can do it. So once you have it on your phone, what does it mean? You can start, restart, stop, start, restart, stop. You can do anything you want. If your phone goes off, if you are the type that maybe you don't even off your phone for like a month now, you have not off your phone, your server is going to be on for months. If it is NEPA no give us light, phone door off. When your phone off, you go need to on them again. Once you on it back, you need to start the server again. Are you getting it? That is the difference between the mobile server and the internet server. Now, the major difference is that in the internet server, the VPS server has better internet and is stable. Your system is not doing any other thing. That's just what it's doing. If you now want to also use it for any other thing, you can get to use it. But you must not pack it up. Like right now, that version can only contain maybe highest 2 accounts, so that you don't overload it. You can have 2 separate accounts. Maybe you have an account for yourself now. You have a VPS to put your own there. You can put another account that is going to be trading also there. Now you now have 2. Okay, 1 account can still have 2. On your phone, you can only have 1. Are you getting it? Just 1 account. Why? Only 1 account, so that you don't run down your phone very fast. Just 1 account. So then you have, you don't want all that. You just want to test it. Let me see how it's working. the mobile version. That one, you only need to subscribe to activate the bot. Once you subscribe, you activate the bot. You have the bot running for you. Now, you are paying subscription for the signal, which is going to be quarterly, every 3 months. Once you finish, you renew for the bot to trade, because without you renewing your subscription, the bot is not going to be able to trade. The bot is going to be trading based on signal provided. Are you getting it? And you can access everything on my website. You can check your server, your mobile server version, your server version, and even your normal phone version, your mobile version. You see everything on your website. You see the trade is doing. You get email notification. You get to see the trades on your Deriv account. So that is how it works. But I always also recommend, when people want to try it, I tell you to test it for at least a month. Okay, test it for a month. Don't be in a hurry. You've had one good week. You've made profits. 1 week is not a month. Because our target is for a month. Your first week can be good, second week can be bad, then third week can be good. So, and there are changes, there are things that also happens from your own end that you need to be observed about. Total for mobile server version. Mobile server version. Okay, let me give you a rundown. Mobile phone for both, just the boat alone, for you to test run and be using for 3 months. You need to just do one-time subscription. You do a quarterly subscription. Your boat will be activated. 13.5. It covers 3 months signal service. Now, boat is activated. It means you can use both. So you get to renew it. After that 3 months, you do another 3 months. It's not monthly subscription. Why? Because it's a project, a long-time project. It's not a short-time project. Normally, I'm supposed to do 6 months minimum. But so that if you don't want to continue, you don't feel like continuing, you don't feel like it's for you, you can just opt out. All right? So that is how to start. 13.5, right? Minimum. Now, VPS, mobile VPS, total for mobile VPS. You pay 13.5 for 3 months subscription to activate the bot. Once it is activated and you have a bot account, now, if you now want mobile version, you pay $5 installation fee to install this mobile version, server version on your device. Mind you, your device must be Android with version 11 above. Android version 11 above. It does not work for iPhone. You're using iPhone, leave it alone. It's not for you. So many policies. It does not work that way. So you have mobile server version, meaning it can work at the background. Whatever you are doing, you can be chatting. As I'm doing video here now, server is running because it's only using my internet. Are you getting it? You don't have to stay on the page. You don't need to stay on the page. You just need to leave it on. It's on. As long as you did not turn off your phone. Now for the mobile version, when you turn your phone off and you turn it back on, you need to start it again because it is already off. You want to watch TV. You switch them off. You go show. You want to watch football. You switch off your TV. You go watch. So when you on your TV, you have to change it and go to that channel. It's just the same way. When you now on your phone back, you will restart it. You will start the bot. So once you start it again, you leave it on. So it stays on. As long as your phone is on, it will be on. Now, the reason why it's like that is because you are also having the server version. It is called mobile server version for a reason. It is on the phone. You can also install that kind of version on your system. Are you getting it? It will be on your system. You install it on your system. If you are the type you work on system while you are at work and whatever, it will be doing and using the internet to work. Nothing is disturbing each other. Are you getting it? So you have, it can work on laptop, it can work on mobile phone. But for mobile phones, if your internet is stable, everything is stable, it's okay. So total package is 13.5 for subscription for the boat for 3 months, then $5 for installation for the mobile server. But for the VPS server, you need at least minimum $32 for 3 months. If you know of any other VPS that is cheaper, please tell me. I can migrate there, test it too, see how it works. If it's okay, I'll recommend it. But for me, this one, I've been using them since 2018. They are stable, they are okay, they are good, and they respond very fast if there is challenge on your account. Now, $32 for 3 months. If you pay for a year, you will pay like $60 or something. I think it's $61 for a year. It becomes cheaper. They give you discount. If it's for a year, they give you discount. My phone will soon go off. It's for a discount. They give you discount. If it's for a year, you get discount. So that's how that works. Then you pay $32, $20 one-time installation fee. Okay, it's a one-time installation fee for the server side, because the stress for the server side is more than for the mobile side. Mobile side is on your phone. You are going to be the one starting and owning it yourself. Server side, I'm going to be the one trying to update, check. So I'm the one going to be responsible most of the time for it, not you. You are only going to inform me, oh, this thing did not trade today or it did not do. I'm going to be the one looking at it and doing all those things. That's why you're paying for that. Are you getting it? It's just $20. Then that's all. So for server version, you are paying $52, $13.5 plus $13.5. But for mobile server version, you are paying $13.5 plus $5. For just your normal phone, no server version, let it just be, you're only paying $13.5 for 3 months. You're not paying anything. You don't need to pay anything. You can test it. Are you getting it? Yes, you're correct. That is for the mobile server version. The mobile server version. That is for the mobile server version. My battery is running down. Please, guys, if there is any information, any question you want to ask, please go ahead and ask. So, I hope I've been able to answer all the questions that was asked by Okoye. Okay, Nwanko scope. No. Is that the person? Yes, Nwanko. I think he also participated here. He told me he was the one. Let me see. I think he told me he was the one who asked the question. Yes, Nwanko, I saw him here. So those are the things, and I've explained it. Now, my bot is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? I like to carry people along as they do. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is to get us to our destination, make you extra money. But I need you to see it the way I am seeing it, the way I've seen it over the years. Is there any day the robot has not traded? No. For where? They carry last. Except the only time he did not trade. In fact, that day when he ended up trading, it experienced a loss because I restarted it. Okay, I stopped it that day. I was working on it. That was the first time I was trying to add another person to my server. Okay, I was trying to add another person's account to my server. And I was using the S-Robot version. Okay, when I now touched it, I added it. It didn't trade because there was no record, there was no memory, there was nothing. So, and I've forgotten, while I was testing on my local server here, I use a dummy signal to test, to know if it's trading or not. Before I now connected real account, I forgot to comment it out. That on comment that I forgot to do cost me $1,000. So when I launched it back, it traded that dummy signal and I experienced a loss. That was the first loss I had that time. Then another time, I did the same mistake. So I stopped tampering with that one. I now built a fresh one that I can easily. The last time I touched it was November 2023. No. No. That one is not even operating on what we have now. The knowledge I have now compared to then, that is in fact, then I don't have any coding experience or coding knowledge self. I did not, there was no coding involved in that time self. But now, no. That one I did not have experience. And that was even my own account self. Okay, because I was testing. Okay, nowadays, if I want to test, I don't even do tests like that. Okay, because I already have a signal on my signal service that is for testing. Okay, if for instance I want to test, I don't even bother to start testing anything. I will just test with accumulator because accumulator signal comes very fast. Can you withdraw from the account when connected to the bot? Yes, you can. Once you have enough profit, you withdraw. But you make sure that you have your minimum balance. You're going to be withdrawing from your account now. Oh, don't worry. See, about the bot, when the robot is trading, your very first, what's it called? Your very first month, you collect your money. Your very first month, you collect all your money. These people don't understand. It's as if you have another backup. Me, I not get another backup. You collect all your money. No live there. You collect all the money you had there. You now only leave. In fact, from the money of the profit, you are permitted to collect 50. Leave 250, no problem. Collect the money. You must collect your money. The whole idea, my focus, my ambition, my major objective is make money. Collect money from the platform, not dash money. So I will encourage you to collect, withdraw ASAP. Not like, okay, this week it has made profit, withdraw. No. Allow it to do months completely so that you can see the returns. Then when you make profit, collect that return, everything. Don't leave $1. Don't leave $1. Now, let's say we have 2 losses in a month. We are still going to be in profit. Of course, the limit for losses is just 2 for the month, for the whole month. You are still going to be in losses. There are times I've experienced 3. There is a month that I experienced 3. 1 mistake by me, then 2 main losses. 2 main losses. No. That time was touch. I cannot count that one. That one is touch. That one is not for goes outside an accumulator. I really have, because my own is doing, okay, for instance, your own is doing 20%. Mine is doing 10%. It's just sometimes 1 trade, sometimes 2 trades. Okay, 1 trade, sometimes 2 trade. 1 trade, it's only when the fit is low, it does 2. But majorly 1 trade. Most of the time, it's just 1 trade. What is the minimum account funding? My sister, as you get ability, Sandra, as ability come your way, okay, as you can even do $2. Now, is our ability, the ability where you get to fund, now it matter. But my own is, I want you to be able to see profitability. Let's be profitable together. But it's slow and steady. You don't rush it. You don't rush it. It looks, sometimes when people look at it, even myself, for sometimes before, I used to look at this thing that, will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Guess what? While I'm looking at will it work? What about if I lose? What about if I lose? If I lose, all the losses I made for the whole month is gone. Now, so are they looking for early period when I started that package? And guess what? I was collecting money. I was still thinking that way. I'm collecting money, but I'm thinking that way. If I lose, if I lose, to the extent that when I was now doing compound trading, in fact, it's one of those things that discourages me from doing compound trading. The same thing I was doing that grew the money from 500 to 4,005. I'm now afraid to continue because I don't want to lose the money. That's why I said some of us, we are all the same. Something you have been doing that is working, is giving you money, is giving you, and suddenly you're now feeling like, this thing, if he stop working now, if he don't catch my scope, wait till I go do now, let me stop here. So that thing discouraged me from doing compound trading. And I love that compound trading, that period. That was the easiest way for me making money, growing money. If I want to start any project, the first thing I do is I'll take $10, I'll compound it till I get 100. Then when I get 100, I'll now start staking $30 so that I can earn like $10 roughly. Are you getting in the hand? That has always been my move. Who go? Wait, Shana, you go give me money. Who won't help me now? Who wants? What's the minimum of account funding? Okay, I think I've explained that. I said you can use any amount of money you are capable of managing. Now, I always recommend for people, start small. Even though, don't believe or take my word for it. Experience it yourself. Then you will understand. I don't like to tell people, now like this it be. Then they ask me, oh yeah, explain. I've done years of explanation like that. So I'm not in a mood. I don't care to explain again. I'm not ready to explain or try to convince somebody anymore. I'll tell you, try, okay, run it with demo self. If you are not sure, you want to be on a safe side, don't be in a hurry to make money. If you are in a hurry, I will tell you repeatedly, don't be in a hurry. Relax. Don't be in a hurry. Something where they work. You no go haste you. You just be chopping your thing quietly. You not make noise. Don't talk. Don't shout. Don't polongo. Don't. Hope Deriv will not manipulate the trading now that we are many. We are not many. Why are you thinking we are renting VPS? Why are you thinking you are doing it from your phone? Okay, before, were you not trading from your phone? Before we were many with them like that. But you see, when you are trading from your phone, they recognize us as individually. Okay, you are placing trade from your phone. I am placing trade from my phone. Everybody is trading from their phone. That is the normal way they have been programmed for us to come to their side and trade. Abi? So when you maintain that status quo, it does not change much. Are you getting it? It will not change anything. It will just be like 10 of us, we gather in one spot. We are now placing enter. But all of us, we are entering with different IP. And when we were trading now, were we not trading with the same internet? We are trading with the same internet. Guess what we aim for? We aim for quick trades. Trades where we sure say, even if they won't do Ojoro, we don't come out before they do their Ojoro. That's why we are trading for small, tangible stuff. Small, tangible stuff. Now, there are some of you that, with time, you get to build a different one for yourself. Don't worry. You will come to phase 2. That's when you get to phase 2, you will understand. Some of you will get to build something different for yourself. You will just say, I don't want this one again. I want like this. Can I get something like this. Are you getting it? That's where we are going. When you see the return, you will say, I don't want to be with the crowd again, sir. I don't want this one again. I asked one question before. I asked you, I said, if you can make 2% from your stake trading on Deriv, say type 1, only one person was able to type 1. The next question I wanted to ask you was, why are you not doing it? Do you know why you are not doing it? Why, even if you know you can you make 10% from Deriv daily? If your answer is yes, how? When? And why are you not doing it? What is stopping you from doing it? All your answer, it will resolve around greediness, lack of patience, and self-control. It is part of the structure of the platform. It's designed that way, meant to make you very unstable, unserious, uncalculated fellow. That's what is meant to make you not believe it is possible, make you believe you are doing it wrong, make you believe, let me try again. Maybe this thing is not meant for me, self. I've tried. They are just collecting my money. I'm tired of them collecting my money. I've said I'm not doing trade again. I beg, come out for my face. I know they do again, come out. So you have to learn to control yourself. See, somebody's on the greed. Oh, sometimes you even have said you can do 10%. You have done the 10%. Now you are looking for more. You cannot stay on that 10% again. You want more. You see, for people like you, I know your category. I've been there. Trading without discipline is not for you. If you want to trade and make more from that your trading, you need to do it with discipline. You just tell yourself, carry book. Once you don't do, you lock up. Why do you think the platform has an option where you can exclude yourself from trading? It's a manual way of disciplining yourself on the platform. They provided it. How many of us even go there to use it? Whereby you can tell yourself, after this time, I'm no longer allowed to come here and trade. It's just to control you. Because the platform themselves are aware that if everybody is disciplined, let me tell you, what do you think will happen if all of us are trading for very sure trades and we are all disciplined? Do you think the platform will be making money, or we will all be making money? Who will make money? If all of us trader, we are disciplined, very objective, oriented, and we are focused, we stay focused, stay glued to what we want to do, please, who will be profitable? Us or the platform? They will never pray for una. May una get that mentality. May una stable. May una feel come together. That's why they will also encourage to teach you new strategy, new whatever. All those strategy, everything you think you are using, you think they are not aware of. They will even teach you the ones you know. The ones you don't know, they will teach you. They know all the strategy. They know. He's the one they are allowed to work with that will work now. When somebody has been making money, he's been shouting, making money. When he entered BC, he will not tell you. He will go and hide. No, it's true. I've seen, don't let me mention the name. I've seen one that is not even binary. It's IQ option that send the guy to, I think the later gave his judgment self. The guy almost run mad. Why? He was making a lot of money. He was a very popular person trading IQ options, making bastard money. I don't know whether he go outside in boundary, go begin to do account management. You see, all the things he was doing that was working while he were making the money was the same thing he wanted to repeat with big money. Even my oga wey be Dalua, he know they do pass himself. He tried it. He went back to his normal routine. He tried it, but he went back to his normal routine. Because once you start playing big, it is not the same rule. It's not the same rule that apply for small one. There are some people, the platform leave you purposefully so that people out there will be motivated to come. I'm telling you, those forest people you are seeing, if they are making money, big time money, the platform is leaving them, especially they are trading forex or stock. You are trading stock, you are trading forex. The platform has a way of that one. The structure is different. The way they work is different. When they want to collect it from you, they collect it from you. I'm not even talking about the ones trading news. Those ones, they are gamblers. Trading the news, you are gambling. It's gambling. Babe is gambling. Is serious one because they can change it. They can decide it to be anywhere. But there are sometimes the direction is very obvious where they are going to go. Why? Because throughout the whole months, they have cut off many people with opposite direction. Now they need to reset it. So those ones who have understood their flow, their pattern, knows it's going to go up. So they will chop them. And there are times they will go up, they will suddenly go back down again, and then go up again. Clear everybody because of volume. That is where where do you think we are making our money from, sir? It's from ourselves now. Not do yourself. Okay? We are making the money from ourselves. So me, I'm not interested in collecting big. Let me just collect something that can maintain my generation, finish. I'm not interested in big money. I'm not interested in big harvest. No. Toro kobo. Just give me that toro kobo. I'm okay. All right. Any question? I want to end this broadcast. I believe I've been able to answer these questions about the robot. Don't worry. Very soon I'll try and make a short video where I'm going to talk about it. All these things, I will talk about it in a short video. I will explain it in a short video. I will talk about it in a short video, very short one. It's not going to be a long video. I'll just summarize everything and then probably maybe also show you some of them so that you understand them. Okay, so any question? I want to close, so I beg. I was working on something before. Okay, this person has also this person has also sent me the message directly. This phone, it's been a while, I've checked it. I'm just seeing the message here now on this phone. You could see that it was when I was coming home here. That's when I connected internet to this phone. I stopped the internet because I wanted to focus and check the rate of how the bot is consuming internet. And I found out that it's stable, it's not too much. So guys, the whole on the robot is that, you see, the robot can work in different ways. I'll give you an idea to test. I don't know if I should have this trouble now. 44. 44. What you look at? You did not tell me. You would have told me now. You now make me. I would have just used this light alone. You'd have told me. I'm done using the TV anyway. I'm running on inverter, so there is no light. So you have to manage the lights as it did. So guys, that's the update. I said I don't know, but I can give you an idea so that you have an idea. I want you to try something. It's going to be a little bit difficult. Reason is that after the third day, your system no go gree you go again. You will now start thinking about morning session, afternoon session, evening session. Are you getting it? The greediness where your village people don't dash you, go come the show. Try and do trades. Just go to the platform. Even if it's just accumulator, touch, goes outside, digit, no digit, anyone. Just do one trade. One. Eyokan péré. Eyokan péré. Just do one trade. One trade. Just do one trade. Eyokan péré. For day. One day. One trade. Make sure you stick to the rule of the trading you want to do. Do one trade per day. Okay, let's test run it. Test run it with like $10. That's your stake. Whether you are targeting 5% to 3% to 10% to, don't let it shall be more than 10%. The smaller it is, the better it is. Do that trade and just do one trade per day. Do it for 1 week. Then evaluate your performance. Now, whatever you have done, if you did well, then come talk to me. I will help you build a robot for it. Whatever you have done, whatever strategy you like, do. As long as you're profitable, come and tell me, we will build it. So that, because you might not be, you will not be faithful. Babe, you will not, even when he's shacking you, he go to shack you. He do me. They tell you. I get strategies that I have not even revisited for like 2 years. For the past, you will not be able to see this thing. Let me see if I will be able to show you. For the past, you see this book. This one. A strategy full inside. You see, he say, it supports my internet. I have not been able to open it again. This year, I have not even opened it. Apart from when I'm arranging the table, I have not opened it. Because the ones I'm working on, I have not finished. I cannot now start disturbing my head again. I've had plenty that I've tested over time that were giving me money, confirmed. But I want to perfect my building, structuring, setting up, building system. I've been able to establish all the lapses, things have improved. When I'm done, I will now treat it like I am the developer. I will now consult myself and give myself work. Can you develop this for me? I will now do it like I'm developing for you. I'm not developing for myself. I'll treat it like a job and do it that way. So if you have strategy, you have something you've tested, it's working, don't worry, come, we will build it. Don't go and build it on their bottle. If you build it on their bot, don't go and build it on their bot. Any strategy you have that you want for it to work for you, please, I encourage you, don't build it on Deriv bot. Once you build it there, the algorithm already catch you. So they already know, they're already aware of what you are building. But if you build it outside it, they will be seeing you like a trader coming from outside, placing trades. So they don't know what strategy you are playing, trading. They just know that once you want to trade, you will just come and place the trade. Are you seeing it? That way it's safer. You build it outside. Set it up. Set you up. It's not going to cost you much apart from server that you are setting it up on. And then maybe you settle me small. It's not going to cost you much. You set it up. Pion. You start making it rain. That's when you now say, so all these years you have chopped me, now I'm ready, I'm back to chop you too. So guys, God bless you. Thank you all. One call, thank you for the question. You made me come to answer this. Okay, Kate, thank you for the question. Owen, Sandra, thank you for the question. Thank you for connecting. Who else? I'm looking at all of you that participated here with comment. All those who are also connected, who didn't comment, thank you for connecting. Arinze, thank you. Joseph, thank you for connecting. Raphael TV, thank you for connecting. Now, guys, remember, I've told you, I've given you like an assignment. I may not be coming to trade or tell you, yeah, come and enter, please trade. But I've given you a simple thing. You see, the most simplest things, they are the ones that even makes the most money for me. Those strategies, where I don't even think much about. Those are the ones that make so much for me over the years. So don't look at anything. It's too simple. It's too rampant. I can tell you an example. There was a guy I taught one strategy that me self I know they use again. Now the strategy the guy still they use till dates. In fact, strategy where I teach him, he don't even master am more than how I taught him. He has even modified, upgraded it. And it's a very simple strategy. Many times I've even shared it on my channel. You buy, you sell at the same time. he has optimized it to like, hey. And he's making cool money. Cool. Somebody who has perfected the thing. No fear, no cost, no anything. In fact, he does it with big money. That I say, it's a liar gone. Don't get mine though. Me, we are able to teach you them, I don't forget that. So guys, God bless you, and I'll see you another time. Thank you all for connecting. In the absence of no question, I'll see you another time. God bless you.